Hi guys, welcome to Downstairs Aquarium. Today I'm going to show you a look at my 45-gallon Blood Parrot tank. Here's little Dale. He's this orange little cutie. And where's Brenan? Here's Brenan. He's a little skittish. It's this gray little guy. They were named after the Step Brother movie. Alright, so here's an overlook of the tank. We've got this log and these two little caves here. They like to hang out in them. I've got a black background, some fine black gravel on the bottom. We used to have sand. Well, no, we had sand in our cichlid tank. Decided not to go for it because it messed up our filter. We have the Aqueon 75 quiet flow filter, 400 gallons per hour. We had two of them pumping in our 75-gallon cichlid tank, but like I said, one of them got clogged with sand and it stopped working. So we went for the fine black gravel in this one. We've got this Fluval current machine, and these nice big bubbles are from two planted air stones in the gravel. Oh, Dale. Here's little Dale. We've also got a 200-watt Aqueon heater. The tank sits at around 79 degrees. We've got 4 little neon tetras in here and 1 pleco. Bristlenose pleco. He likes to hang out under the log. Today we just planted 2 Amazon swordtails. We'll see how that goes. They might uproot them, but who knows. Here's the look from this side. And over here is where they like to hang out. Some nice shelter. We picked them up less than a week ago. I think they're 3 to 5 months old. Hard to tell. But they're already developing their little personalities. Dale's the tank boss right now. I will tell you, they are little troublemakers. When we were bringing them home from PetSmart, they bit a hole through the bag. Alright guys, I think I covered everything. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of the tank.